To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of Hemel Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking the reported speech. In my previous video, I took the reported speech when the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense. Today I am taking if the reporting verb that is in past tense, then what are changes which are made in the reported speech. If the reporting verb that is in past tense, then there are three changes in the reported speech. First one, that is the change in tense. Second one, that is change in persons. And the third one, that is change in some particular words. Today in this video I am taking your change in tense. When the reporting verb that is in past tense, then we have to change the tense of the reported speech. Now there is a rule, certain rule. First of all, we have to take present indefinite is changed into past indefinite. Present continuous is changed into past continuous. Present perfect is changed into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite is changed into past perfect tense. Past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense, there is no change. In past perfect continuous tense, there is no change. In future tense, as there is will and shall in all the tenses, as per rule, will is changed into would and shall is changed into should. Again, I am repeating: present indefinite into past indefinite, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous, past indefinite into past perfect, past continuous into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense, no change. Past perfect continuous tense, no change. In future tenses, we change will into would and shall into should. Now I am taking your example. He said, comma, included comma begin, Raman is playing football. Full stop, comma close. So he said that Raman was playing football. It is present indefinite. Raman is playing football will be changed into past continuous. In present continuous into past continuous. And we all have to know like this. I am taking the sentence of present indefinite. She said to me, Rekha writes a letter. Full stop, comma close. She told me. Actually, when there is object, then said into told, that Rekha wrote a letter. Like this, present perfect tense. Raman said, Ragini has completed the work. So Raman said that Ragini had completed the work. In present perfect continuous, she said to me, it has been raining for 2 hours. She told me that it had been raining for 2 hours. Now I take your past indefinite. He said, Ram went to Agra. He said that Ram had gone to Agra. Past indefinite to past perfect. Past continuous, she said to me. Ragini was playing cricket. She told me that Ragini had been playing cricket. Past perfect tense, no change. He said Raman had done the work. He said that Raman had done the work. Past perfect continuous. Mohan said to me, it had been raining since morning. Mohan told me that it had been raining since morning. In future tense, will into would, shall into should. He said, comma and will begin, Rekha will play football. He said that Rekha would play football. I said to you, I shall try my best. I told you that I should try my best. Like this, will into would, shall into should. All the tenses have been taken, and this is how to change the tense of the reported speech when the reporting verb that is in past tense. Dear students, I hope you have understood the rule of changing tenses. If the reporting verb that is in past tense, then we change the tense of the reported speech as per the rule which I have narrated you. Thank you very much.